Funding mechanics. Transactional funding, also known as flash funding or same-day funding, involves an investor providing money for one day to facilitate a double closing, with repayment via an unsecured written payoff on the second closing. This non-credit-based, income-unscored program doesn't require good credit or income verification, making it accessible for investors seeking short-term capital. Financial considerations. Fees for transactional funding typically range from a $450 minimum to 2% of the transaction amount, varying by investor or funder, emphasizing the importance of shopping around for the best deal. Process and providers. Investor-friendly title companies, such as Independence Title in South Florida, offer transactional funding daily and handle closings without requiring a mortgage or note. Local investment clubs often have numerous investors who provide transactional funding, offering additional options for real estate investors seeking this type of financing.